It's amazing at the rate everything's growing. I'm having to weave in and out all the branches now. I used to be able to come down here and just walk quite easily. Now it's a jungle of trees, bushes. It's difficult to see through the trees now. Everything's just getting thicker and thicker with greenery. Good morning, everybody. It's day 34 of lockdown. I'm up a little bit earlier this morning. I woke up about 10 minutes before my alarm, so I'm out a little bit earlier. There's mist drifting in over the fields. Foxy. It's quite cool. It's very pleasant. Just heard the woodpecker, grey spotted woodpecker. As always, we're on the way to collect the camera from the new location in the extended woodland where we found the fox scat. Now, if I'm honest with myself, I'm not expecting much from this. There's the camera. I'll tell you what. It looks like everything has gone. Some nuts there. There's a nut. Well, look at that. Fresh fox scat. I've just had a bit of a sniff. Oh, there's definitely a foxy aroma to it. So, it definitely comes in these woods as well. That's really good news. So this is the new section of woodland I've had the camera in last night. It's really nice. I just walked, that was over there was where the camera was. I just walked all the way around, come down here past the bluebells. You can see through here. The mist in the field, sheep there, and you can just see the sun just coming up over the trees just there. A lot of scent markings this morning. Just found another one. Really encouraging this morning. Fox scat scent markings. Bait's gone. I haven't checked the footage yet, but I'm going to put my mortgage on that there is going to be footage, so I'll check that when we get back. Right, I'm going to continue my walk through the fields. I love this time of morning. That. It's like a carpet of mist all the way across. I've never known a morning like this. I don't know if it's out because I'm just out that little bit earlier and all the scents are a lot fresher and I haven't had a chance to sort of dissipate into the air. But I've had so many scent marks, it's ridiculous. I've been marking them on my app, Wild Game Tracker app, but I've had to stop because they're that close together. It's just going to be a massive blue blotches on my app. So I've put a couple in, but unbelievable. Can't believe how much scent I'm picking up today. Right, well I'm still in the field, I haven't left the field yet, so I'll carry on through the field and then we'll continue on the walk. So, after a positive start to the morning, having found the fox scent in several locations, arrived at the camera location to find all the bait had gone, and then to find the fox scat, I was really encouraged and quite excited as to what I was going to find on the camera. So I scooped up the fox scat, put that in my little tin, and I put that in my pocket, and then I set off back home. And that's when everything turned to shit. Literally. Checked the camera, there was 8 clips on there, so I thought, oh good. But when I watched the clips, first one was the rat, second one was the rat, third one was the rat. I don't need to go on. So, disappointed at that. I thought, right, well I'll dissect the fox scat and just see what's in there, like I did with the other one on the previous video. Well, it was on the first incision of the fox scat, and I broke it open. I soon realised it wasn't fox scat. Oh no. So quickly closed the tin and got rid of it, sharpish. So that didn't really put me in a good mood either. So, lesson learned from last night, or this morning. I said in a previous video that this tracking malarkey is quite new to me, and it is. But the skills that I have picked up already, I should be using them properly. And the reason I say that is when I found what I thought was the fox scat, it looked the right colour and it sort of had the right kind of shape, a little bit twisted, and I could smell the fox scent. And that's when I thought, yep, fox scat, put it in the tin, put it in my pocket. I should have continued with my investigations there and then and just had a look at it a bit more closely. Was it sort of nipped off at the end like fox scat is? Was it full of fur and hair like fox scat is? It wasn't. Those are the 2 things I missed out on. Another thing, fox normally deposits its scat in a sort of really prominent place, like I showed on the previous video, on the little log or on a rock. But this wasn't. This was just on the floor, out in the open, and I should have picked up on that as well. Now, what I think's happened is I think the fox has come along, marking its territory. It sniffed out what was in its area, on its boundary of its territory, and thought, I'm not having that, this is my territory. Squirt. right in the vicinity of what I found, which is why I just immediately thought that that was foxscat. So the moral of the story is, use all the knowledge you've got to make a really good decision as to what you're looking at before you pick it up, put it in a tin and take it home to dissect. So I did learn a valuable lesson there, and I won't be making that mistake again. I'll be looking at things a lot more closely next time, and that just all goes to prove why I'm not a betting man. I would have lost my mortgage, lost my house, because I was convinced I was going to get fox footage. The plus side of this morning was finding all the fox scents. I did get a lot. I must have got 5 or 6 that I marked up on my wild game tracker app. So they're now on there, and I will be going back to the same piece of woodland and placing the camera again, but this time I'm going to put it further away from sort of the stream area where I think the rat was coming from. So just have to give it a try and see how we get on. I've just seen the fox. I've literally just seen it. It's just gone across the field into those bushes. That's the first time I've seen it during the day. So that's it for tonight. I hope you had a laugh at my expense. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which is just up here, or the one down there, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. I'm off to set the camera again. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.